In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable automatic payroll in Hubstaff. If you want more control over when payments are sent, switching from automatic payroll to manual payments is a simple and useful setting to adjust. This can be especially helpful if you prefer to review timesheets, confirm hours, or double-check payroll details before any payments go out. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make this change with confidence. Start by logging into your Hubstaff account and going to your main dashboard. From there, look for the financial section in the navigation area and click on it. This is where Hubstaff keeps payroll-related tools and settings, so it's the right place to begin when you want to change how payments are handled. Once you're inside Financials, click on Get Started. Depending on your account setup, this may take you into the Payroll area where you can manage payment preferences for your organization. If you've already explored Payroll before, the wording or layout may look slightly familiar, but the option you need should still be available from here. Next, find and click on Organization Level Settings. This section is important because it controls payroll behavior across the organization, rather than for just one individual member. In other words, this is where you adjust the overall payment method that Hubstaff uses for payroll processing. After that, look for the option labeled Manual Payments and click on it. Selecting Manual Payments disables automatic payroll, which means payments will no longer be sent automatically based on tracked time or existing payroll schedules. Instead, you'll be able to review and manage payments manually before anything is processed. This change is a good idea if your team needs an approval step, if you want to catch errors before payment, or if you simply prefer a more hands-on payroll workflow. Just keep in mind that once automatic payroll is disabled, it becomes your responsibility to make sure payments are reviewed and sent on time. And that's it. By going to Financials, selecting Get Started, opening Organization Level Settings, and switching to Manual Payments, you can disable automatic payroll in Hubstaff in just a few clicks. If you're following along in your own account, take a moment after making the change to confirm that the setting has been saved correctly. That way, you can be sure your payroll process now matches the workflow you want to use.